Got quite the exhaust leak. Okay, so we got two problems with this. The first one is this donut gasket in here is bad. That needs to be fixed. And this pipe right here is hitting the cross member. So you can see that wear point on the bottom. That's hitting on the cross member pretty frequently. I can hear it. No major leaks back here. We got a small one there and none right there. This car doesn't have a bunch of holes in it, so leaks over back in here aren't a big deal. Haven't been under this in a bit, and I noticed we got a bit of an oil leak starting. Right, when I did the water pump, this dipstick started leaking. I had to like finagle it out of the way, and I messed up whatever seal it was. And it's been over a year, but I need to like get this out and fix that. Put a different O-ring on it. I've probably got an O-ring that'll fit it or whatever. If it's anything like the Ranger, it's just got a little O-ring there. That's not a major leak or anything. I just figure I'll deal with it probably later rather than sooner. This is the main issue. So the reason why exhaust leaks in this general area are bad, and exhaust leaks here, if your car is not rusted out, aren't bad, is because the fumes in here in the engine bay get blown around by the fan, come up through here, even though this is supposed to be a seal, and get in there and cause you to smell it or get carbon monoxide poisoning. In this case, it's not poisoning me, but I'm smelling it and I'm getting a small amount of carbon monoxide on my meter. So that needs to be fixed. Being that this was installed about 30,000 miles ago, it's not rusted up. So these are actually pretty much hand tight, which is really stupid. That could be the whole issue, that they're loose. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take them loose and see if there is a gasket in there. All right, here's the problem. This thing's all broken up. That's why it's leaking. Hey, here's a part number. This is made by Pro. You can see the difference between the old one and the new one. This one was done for. All right, so I got a new solution to fix this hitting on the frame. I'm just gonna put a spacer and bring this up a bit. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use this old rusted ball bearing as a spacer. Let's try that. Look at that clearance, Clarence. That bearing just fixed it. That's like, what, 80% fixed? That's good enough for me, considering the carbon monoxide meter is no longer going crazy. So that's fine. That is completely fixed. Ready for use.